today I'm going to show you how to make a floating rice bottle. So all we need is a bottle and 2 bottles actually, and 2 color pencils or a pencil. And you need rice, and you need cap, or you can get anything you want. You don't need a cap if you want, because I don't want it to make it spill. And you also need a funnel. I made it out of paper because and I don't have a funnel, and that's all you need. So you have to take the color pencil and put the place where you write, this one, inside. Oops, oh my god, it's like got broken. It's okay. So I just put it in like this one too. So, and then we squeeze it with this hand. Any part is hard because I did it a lot of times. It didn't work, so and now I have to put it in and have to hear lots of crunches. This one floats. Magical. And the next one, we have to do the same thing as we did to this one. This one right here. And this one, do the same. Ow. Yeah, there we go. It kind of hurts. You have to squeeze it really, really hard, but yeah, it really hurts. Oh, if you want to watch it, you can watch in Grade 2 Telegram. So yeah, or YouTube. I don't know when. And now let's see if it floats. It floats. Now let's see if both of them floats if I do it at the same time. Let's take this out. 3, 2, 1. This one. Yeah. Let's see. Only this one. Let's see about this one. 3, 2, 1. It floats. That's it for now. That's how we do a floating rice bottle. You can check it on Grade 2 Telegram. Bye!